You're watching Auto Freaks HD, where horsepower meets heartbeat. And today we're diving into something special. Something that defines elegance, power, and safety all in one sleek Scandinavian package. This is the all-new 2026 Volvo XC90. And let me tell you right now, it's not just a refresh, it's a redefinition. Imagine pulling up to your driveway and this masterpiece of modern engineering is waiting for you. The bold presence, that iconic Thor's hammer lighting up the street, and when the sun hits its smooth contours, oh, it's a head-turner, no doubt. But the XC90 doesn't just look good, it feels good, inside and out. Volvo didn't play it safe with this one. They doubled down on innovation, and yeah, we're here for it. Let's start with the design. The 2026 XC90 continues Volvo's tradition of minimalist sophistication, but this time it's bolder, sleeker, and dare I say, sexier. The front fascia is wider, more aggressive. The grille has been reshaped for better airflow, and the signature LED lights are sharper than ever. You don't just see the XC90 coming, you feel it. Now move to the side. The proportions are immaculate. Volvo's gone for a more aerodynamic stance this year. The flush door handles, the sculpted panels, they all tell a story of efficiency and elegance. It's not trying too hard. It doesn't need to. Confidence never shouts, it whispers. And that rear end, clean, balanced. And let me point this out. The taillights have been redesigned with this vertical twist that just screams Scandinavian cool. Subtle details like the new badging and updated bumper show how much care went into every inch of this SUV. Pop the hood, and here's where things get exciting. The 2026 XC90 now offers a range of hybrid and fully electric powertrains. Yes, Volvo is going all in on electrification. And if you haven't driven a plug-in XC90 yet, prepare to be surprised. It's smooth, it's silent, but it pulls. You tap the pedal and the torque just happens. Instant, linear, addictive. The top trim, the Recharge Ultimate, comes with a dual-motor AWD setup producing over 500 horsepower. 0 to 60, under 5 seconds. In a family SUV, that's wild. But Volvo's all about giving you performance without compromising on conscience. Even the mild hybrid models are more refined now. Better fuel economy, smoother transitions, and a lot more torque on tap. Whether you're city cruising or highway carving, the XC90 delivers a ride that's balanced and confident. Now, let's talk about the cabin. This interior is a sanctuary. Volvo has always nailed comfort and design, but 2026 takes it to another level. Open the door and you're welcomed by soft touch materials, natural wood inlays, and a clean dashboard layout that feels more like a luxury lounge than a car. No clutter, no chaos, just calm. The seats, oh man, they're like hugging a cloud. Volvo's signature orthopedically designed seats are now even more adjustable and offer massage, heating, and cooling in both front and rear rows. This SUV isn't just built for the driver, it's built for every passenger. Even the third row has been redesigned to actually fit adults. Volvo heard the complaints, and they delivered. And let's not skip over the tech. Front and center is the new 15-inch floating touchscreen running Volvo's latest Google-powered interface. Fast, intuitive. And yeah, you've got full Google Assistant, Maps, Play Store, the works. Just say, hey Google, navigate to the nearest charging station, and boom, it's done. You also get a digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable and a new heads-up display that keeps your eyes on the road. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? Wireless, of course. The audio system is by Bowers Wilkins, and it slaps. 3D surround sound, concert hall clarity, and more speakers than your living room. It's not just audio, it's an experience. And yes, safety. You already know this is Volvo's playground. The 2026 XC90 introduces Volvo's next-gen Pilot Assist. It's smarter, smoother, and more natural than ever. Lane changes feel human. Braking is precise. It's the closest thing to a co-driver you've ever had. New radar and LiDAR systems help scan the road in all directions. Pedestrian detection, animal detection, night vision. This thing can see better in the dark than you can. And if something's coming that you missed, The XC90 will react faster than you ever could. That peace of mind? Priceless. Even the child lock system is smarter now. You can control it through the touchscreen. There's a new driver monitoring system too. It doesn't just track eye movement. It actually understands if you're drowsy or distracted. If you're not okay to drive, the XC90 won't just beep. It'll stop you from making a fatal mistake. That's not just tech. That's love in the form of engineering. So, how does it drive? One word, composed. The air suspension has been retuned for better comfort and cornering. It glides over rough roads but stays flat in tight curves. Steering is precise, with just the right amount of weight. You feel connected but never overwhelmed. You can toggle between drive modes, comfort for cruising, dynamic for when you want that extra kick, and off-road for those wild family camping trips. And guess what? Even in off-road mode, the XC90 remains shockingly quiet and composed. Charging the electric versions is fast and seamless, up to 300 miles of range. And with fast charging, you can go from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Volvo is also integrating plug charge tech, so you don't even need an app. Just plug it in, and the car handles the rest. Let's talk pricing. It's not cheap, but it's not supposed to be. The base XC90 mild hybrid starts around $60,000. The recharge plug-in, mid-70s, and the top-level electric recharge ultimate, you're pushing $85,000. But when you factor in the craftsmanship, the tech, the safety, the performance, and the fact that this SUV might literally save your life one day, yeah, that's a deal. Plus, federal EV tax credits and Volvo's extended warranty mean you're getting long-term value, not just short-term hype. And let's not forget the eco-impact. Volvo is aiming to be a fully electric company by 2030. The materials in the XC90 are sustainably sourced. The factory it's built in runs on 100% renewable energy. This SUV isn't just good for your family, it's good for the planet. So, who is the 2026 XC90 for? It's for the parent who wants the safest ride for their kids. It's for the design lover who wants minimalism and luxury. It's for the tech geek who needs Google in their dashboard. It's for the eco-conscious driver who wants to go electric without sacrificing style. And yeah, it's for the person who still wants to feel something behind the wheel. This isn't just another SUV. This is a message, a mission, a masterpiece on wheels. Volvo didn't just build a car, they built a future. So if you're in the market for something bold, something beautiful, something built for the road ahead, the 2026 Volvo XC90 is waiting. And when you take that first test drive, trust me, you'll feel it. The silence, the strength, the soul. Thanks for watching AutoFreaks HD. If this video gave you chills or made you add the XC90 to your wish list, go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting rides. Until next time, drive safe, drive smart, drive something that makes your heart beat faster. And yeah, drive the future.